Starting from the feet, we have our dorsal pedis artery, we have our anterior tibial artery, posterior tibial artery, and on this side, this entire structure going from here to all the way down here, it's the great saphenous vein, anterior tibial artery, and then we have the small saphenous vein, this part here. Make sure you don't call this the anterior tibial vein, it's small saphenous vein. Popliteal artery, femoral artery, and this is femoral vein. Sean won't probably ask it because it's cutting off, but just for a side note, it is femoral vein. So for our trunk, we have the internal iliac vein and artery. We have the external iliac vein and artery. So external is more on the lower side. And on the top, we have the common iliac vein and artery. We have the inferior vena cava. Then for the kidneys, it's really easy to tell. We have the renal vein and artery. Renal vein and artery. This is our superior mesenteric artery. And this is our inferior mesenteric artery. For our celiac artery, basically splits, but it's like a border where it connects like the splenic artery, the hepatic artery, and the hepatic vein. So our celiac artery is right here. Then we have our splenic artery, we have our common hepatic artery, and our hepatic vein. And don't get confused between hepatic vein and the hepatic portal vein, because the hepatic portal vein is purple color and it's on the older model. And let's get the arm. So we have our common carotid artery right here. This is our subclavian artery and vein, and then we come down to the axillary artery and vein. And we have the brachial artery and vein. We have this entire part is the cephalic vein, and this is basilic vein. Then we have our ulnar artery and our radial artery. And this right here, it's our ulnar artery as well, and this is radial artery. And those are pretty much all the structures we have covered in this model.